क्लास वेलकम बैक टू द सेशन। आज की वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं डेटा इंपोर्ट एंड डेटा एक्सपोर्ट इन सेल्सफोर्स। एंड उससे पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो तो गाइस प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना। चल एंड देखते हैं डेटा इंपोर्ट। जैसे कि इसके नाम से ही पता चल रहा है डेटा इंपोर्ट करना अपने सेल्सफोर्स ऑर्ग में, किसी सेल्सफोर्स में डेटा इंपोर्ट करना। अगर हम बात करें हमारे पास सीएसवी में डेटा है या फिर एक्सेल शीट में डेटा है या फिर किसी और फॉर्मेटिंग में डेटा है तो उसको सेल्सफोर्स में डालना, सेल्सफोर्स में उसको इंपोर्ट करना, वो होता है डेटा इंपोर्ट। अब उसको करना कैसे है, ये हम प्रैक्टिस करके देखते हैं कि कैसे डेटा इंपोर्ट करना है। उसके लिए आपके पास दो मेथड होंगे। फर्स्ट है डेटा इंपोर्ट विजार्ड। आप डेटा इंपोर्ट विजार्ड का यूज कर सकते हो डेटा इंपोर्ट करने के लिए। अगर आपको किसी पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट पे डेटा इंपोर्ट करना है तो उस ऑब्जेक्ट को भी सर्च करके आप डायरेक्टली इंपोर्ट कर सकते हो। So when you click on the data import wizard, you can see the screen like this is open. Now you have to click on this launch wizard, and now you have to select your object. Like you can see the standard object and the custom object are available here. So I'm importing the record on the account object. So just click on the standard object. Now you can see that what do you want to do, like add new records, update existing record, and add new and update existing record. You have multiple options. So you have to create new record. Remain the default, all the values are here. So just click on the file and import file because I have files for the account object. And just remember you have to select on the CSV file. So click on the next. Like you can see, this is the unmapped fields. So just map the field. You can see here email. And make a screen minimize. And map. And here you don't have, you can see this custom status. So just search customer status is available here. If you have, you can see. If don't have, then remain as it is, unmap the fields there. So there, here you have the record name. Just search record owner name, account type, and map, and click on the next button and start importing. Like you can see, congratulations, your import has started. Click on this OK button, and you can see proceed 50 records and 0 records are failure. You can see all records are processed. So if you want to see the result, click on this view result and view records. If any condition your records are failed, like there is lookup relationship and validation fail, flow, you have created any flow and approval process, you use any kind of relationship like lookup, master, detail, and have not match any pick list value, in that condition your data may be fail. So just remember that. And in second process, we are going to be learn about data export. One more thing, you have to be check each our data available here or not. So just open the account object and you have to be click on this list view and open all list available. So you can see more than 50 records are available here because we have import 50 records and some records are already available in my org. So this is the way how you can import data, and now we have to be move on the second one, that is data export. So just set up your org and now search data export. Click on this data export. And why we are using data export, in some conditions, you have to be share your records with someone else. You have to be use these records for in other org. You have to be give permission to other. In that conditions, you have to be export your data. And here you can see two options are available. First is export now and second is schedule export. Why we are using this schedule export? Like I want to share these records in tomorrow. So I can schedule the export for the tomorrow so I can save the time. And if you want to be use the record instantly, so you can export now. So just click on this export now. Here you can see multiple objects are available like contact, order item, and so more. You can see all the objects that is present in your org are available here. So you can select which objects data you want to be export. Like I am selecting this contact only. So you can select any other according to your requirement. So just click on this export data and now you have to be go and check for email. So just open your mail and wait some time and you will get the data link. So this is the process how you can import data and how you can export data in Salesforce. Hope you guys have understood the use of data import and export in Salesforce and how you can import data and export data in Salesforce. This is for today's session. Thank you guys and hope you guys have understood the process how to import and export data. And उससे पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो तो गाइस प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next session.